Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Tech Shack. हम आपके लिए थोड़ा पाकिस्तान का स्टार्टअप सीन का ओवरव्यू देना चाह रहे हैं. Right now, we hope your families are well during this COVID-19 situation. Please take care of yourselves. लेकिन क्या कहते हैं? When there's time, you come up with interesting ideas. तो आज हमने क्या सोचा था कि we wanted to highlight some very interesting young people that are coming together in Pakistan and doing some really amazing things inside the country for the country. तो आज हमारे गेस्ट हैं, पहले गेस्ट सारा सईद and Ifat Zafar Agha, two young doctors who are coming on to the scene in Pakistan and trying to help people with telemedicine. So with that, I'm going to turn it over first to Sara Saeed. Dr. Saeed, please.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is Dr. Sara Saeed Khurram. I'm a medical doctor by profession, and I run a telemedicine company with my partner in crime, Dr. Ifat Zafar Agha. And the telemedicine company is called Sehat Kahani, which in English means story of health. And हमने इतना शायराना नाम इसलिए रखा है because we want to change the way health stories are written in Pakistan, doing this small effort. So what we do is we work on a very interesting problem, which is very, very specific to Pakistan. And I'm sure that आप सब उससे relate करेंगे. And this is a problem for doctor brides. So majority of the medical workforce that we have in Pakistan is made up of female doctors, almost 70%, which is a great thing for Pakistani female doctors. But unfortunately, only 23% of these female doctors work. So in our current healthcare system, there are about 70 to 80,000 female doctors जो के घरों पे रोटियां बना रही हैं गोल गोल. On a more serious note, they are not able to work after graduation due to social pressures, due to family responsibilities, and are not able to continue their career because a lot of parents want their daughters to become doctors in Pakistan so that they can get a better hand in marriage. तो अगर वो गोरी हो, पतली हो, लंबी हो और डॉक्टर हो, so they make the best bride. However, how it affects Pakistani healthcare system is that 75% people in Pakistan don't get access to healthcare, or more specifically, a qualified doctor in their lives. And there might be a lot of issues that make that number. But one very important issue is that our female workforce, majority of it is sitting at home and not working. So through our life stories, we figure that we've both gone through this doctor bride phenomena and not being able to work situation because of certain issues in our life. And we realized that if a female doctor cannot come out of the house and go to the village to check patients, then we'll have to bring the village to the female doctor at her home. And we started Sehat Kahani that connects female doctors from their homes to patients who need healthcare using the technology of telemedicine and video consultation. And in this company, we have two service lines. So we work for low-income communities, जहाँ पे लोगों के पास खुद smartphones नहीं होते, technology नहीं होती. We create nurse-enabled telemedicine clinics, but we also have a product for the masses or people who have access to smartphones and technology, and that's called the Sehat Kahani app. And this app can be downloaded by anyone who is either an individual customer or a corporate employee, but does not have access to qualified doctors. They can download it and they can connect to a female doctor 24/7, 7 days a week.
Well, that's great. Thank you, Dr. Sara. That's very interesting. और हमें भी बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि हम पाकिस्तान में हमारे इतने smart और young doctors आप जैसी हैं अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं. So we hope to continue to help you guys build and thrive. I just wanted to, Dr. Ifat, if you could give me a kind of just a quick view on how you came to this idea and what's going on with it. How did you come across this?
Just introducing myself, I'm also a medical doctor by profession. I graduated from Zayuddin. And I think थोड़े से कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनका I think gray matter थोड़ा ज़्यादा खिसका हुआ होता है and they always think that they will do something and they really want to change something. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है शायद मैं in my own world कुछ इस तरह की इंसान रही होंगी and Sara in her own world probably कुछ इस तरह की रही होंगी. And interestingly मेरी और सारा की जो बड़ी बेटी हैं they both are just 15 days apart. And that's the time when we didn't even know each other. We just met at a common working place. And वहाँ पे हुआ ये कि this crazy idea that female doctors should come back to workforce was being tested by Sara. So एक clinic हुआ करता था हमारा एक community में, and Sara was actually one of those doctors who was trying to do this. And I think वहाँ से ये idea मुझे बड़ा ज़बरदस्त लगा, यहाँ से resonate किया, मुझे लगा okay, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ. Even I had to like quit work for an year or two, take a gap when I was going through my first daughter's childbirth and all. तो ये तो सबके साथ बड़ा मसला होता है, और आधे ज़्यादा हमारी classes जो हैं unfortunately घर पर बैठ जाती हैं. तो ये तो लगता है कि this is something, कहते हैं ना कि game on है या idea में कुछ दम है. So let's work it out. And I think today here we are.
अच्छा, तो ये बताओ, अब ये है कि it's great to see people like yourself doing really interesting things like this. अब ये बताओ कि what is the real problem you feel like you're solving? जल्दी से बताओ मुझे, 2 मिनट में. What's your elevator pitch? मैं आपके साथ एलिवेटर में खड़ा हूँ, बताओ मुझे सेहत कहानी क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करती है?
Basically, 2 problems that we are solving. A, bringing back female doctors who are not working to their full potential, and creating healthcare access using telemedicine and technology.
इसमें ये है कि अब यहाँ पे जो लोग होते हैं, हम अमेरिकी माइंडसेट के हैं थोड़ा सा, कि कौन खरीदेगा, पैसा कैसे बनेगा उसमें. ठीक है, आप सेवा भी कर रहे हैं, हेल्प भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पैसा भी मैं आप मुझसे पैसे मांग रहे हैं ना. How am I going to make money?
So telemedicine अभी भी $18 billion की इंडस्ट्री है, और it's expected to become a $130 billion industry in the next 25 years. तो कुछ तो पैसे बन रहे होंगे लोगों के. हम भी पैसे बना रहे हैं. So we're a for-profit company. When we started, we knew from the get-go that we need to create a sustainable, scalable business. And we call ourselves an impact business. We are a business that's creating social impact. It's a new term for businesses, but a lot of traditional businesses have also converted into impact businesses in the last 50 years. So we are just following suit. In the clinic, we charge 50 to 500 rupees for a range of consultations that we do, and we give a percentage of that to the nurse. We have to create 350 patients per clinic per month to break even at the clinical revenue and to create revenue. So that's how we earn in the clinics. And on our app, we have a customer-facing app and a corporate-facing app. In the customer-facing app or the retail app, the individual can download it. They can pay per consultation, or they can pay on a subscription plan, which can be monthly, 6 monthly, and yearly. And for the corporates, the employers can pay us on an annual subscription plan for the employees, their families to use it. And if they want specialists or if they want mental health specialists, the price go up. And we create our plans in a way that we incentivize the doctors or the nurses working with us, and also create enough revenue to run our expenses, which is why we made a total of $93,000 in our first year, $158,000 in our second year, and we're expecting to make a revenue of $422,000 this year. So doing pretty good on the revenue side, along with social impact.
Excellent.
Yeah, and I think just adding here, till today, we have more than $200,000 plus, which has come into the bank out of this $420,000, which we had forecasted. So pretty good.
Good.
Standing at a pretty good place right now, yes.
So ठीक है, yeah, and that's great. I mean, you guys are off to a running start. You have revenue, you're solving a problem. But अब मुझे ये बताओ कि जो अब मैं इन्वेस्टर हूँ, आप मुझसे $1 million चाह रहे हैं कि $1 million दें. आप करेंगे क्या $1 million के साथ? Where are we going to end up with this, and how long?
So I think what we are so हमने अपना $500,000 का भी सीड राउंड रेस किया है, एंड जिस इन्वेस्टर्स को हम लेकर आए थे उनको हमने a 4x return दिया है in these 2 years of business. So what we are planning and what we are telling the investors is that if they invest in our $1 million down, then we hopefully will be able to give them a 6 to 7 x return in the next 2 years. Then we will be raising our Series A round. So if you're investing in us today, you'll be pretty rich in the next 2 years, and maybe you'll be sitting in a pot of gold or a bathtub full of money anywhere, swimming. So that's what you're telling the investors.
That's excellent.
Maybe take a vacation to Bahamas, as you know.
So that's for us. That's for us.
Yeah,
that's for us.
investors को ना पहले आप पैसा बना ले, फिर आप जाएं Bahamas.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Excellent. Well, ladies, thank you very much. To our audience out there, we are trying to keep this short, fun, and punchy. As you can see, not lots of numbers and not lots of stats and information about Pakistan's current situation. Just trying to bring out the positive side. We have these two young ladies who have done a great job of taking something, an idea, and building it from the ground up. Well, mashallah, it speaks to the brain power we have in our country. We hope to see you guys succeed. If you are interested in learning more about their concept, please send us an email at start, STARTKARO, @techcheck.net. Look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Thank you, ladies. Have a great day, and we'll talk to everybody soon.